Hello friends, welcome to H2 Zone Solution and Production. In the plugin section, we see that how many plugins you have in your websites. In our case, we have 3 plugins, only 2 are inactive and 1 is active, and this plugins is related to our theme. That's why we can see that this context menu. Otherwise, this context menu is not a part of WordPress default theme. That's why I'm not going to discuss this context sections. Okay, now I am showing you that how to download a plugin and how to install plugins. Just go to Google, and for testing I am downloads digital clock WordPress plugin and click on WordPress official site. You can download from anywhere. But WordPress.org is official site and it's more trusted than other sites have chance of viruses and sometimes it has corrupt plugins. So I recommend you that always prefer WordPress websites for plugins. If you can't find your plugins, then you can go for any other site. Okay, just click on local time clock. I am going to show you how plugins works. Just download this plugin, click on download button and go to download sections. And this plugin is also like a theme file because it's in zip file. Go to add new plugin options. Install plugins is same like a theme installing. Click on update plugins and drag your plugins on these sections and click on install button. You can also put your plugins in plugins folder. Your automatically will displaying on install plugin sections. It's same like a theme strategy. Just click on install now button, click on active button. But if you will put your plugins in this folder, it will not automatically install. For installing, just go to install plugins section and click on active plugins. Okay, my local time clock is activated and you can see that it's also added in our plugins folder sections. Okay, now test these plugins with the help of widgets, because this is a widgets which will show the digital clocks. Now you can see that local time clock. Just click on footer area 3. This theme has division in 3 parts: footer area 1, footer area 2 and footer area 3. I am going to displaying this clock on these sections. Just drag this local time clock on this footer area 3 options, and now you can see different options. You can customize your plugins options as your demand. I'm just going to save these plugins options. After that I'm going to just refresh this page. Now you can see that we have digital clock. I am just going to put cursor on it and now you can see that it shows the current date. Currently I am going to delete this widgets and now it will goes hide. Okay, now go to next sections. Add new is same like install plugins options. If you don't like to see list of plugins, then you can directly go to add new options and you can install any plugins, and you can also search any WordPress plugins from here like a theme section. Or if you want to download zip file, then just go to Google, search your desired plugins, and editor is same like theme editor. It can change your any plugins coding. If you are good in programming, then I will recommend you use these sections. Otherwise don't change its code. Okay, now go to user sections, click on all users